We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn jump 3. We'll start basic on 1, slow. We'll practice jump 3 together with cross tap 3. Let's begin with cross tap 3 with the left. Cross tap 3, going down and jump out. Cross tap 3 with the right, going down and jump out. Basic. So make sure to go over cross tap 3 in the link below. Let's go again. Cross tap 3 with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 6 and 8. Yeah. One more time. Cross tap 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. With the right. And get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Let's go. 1. And let's go. 1, 5. 1, 5. Basic. Let's go again. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1, 5. 1. And let's do it again. Slow. Basic. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go again with the left. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Going down and jump out. Now with the right, cross tap 3 and jump 3. Going down and jump out. Basic. And don't miss the muscle tip at the end. Let's go again. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Basic. And you know what? Let's scroll cross tap 3 and jump 3. Jump 3 extended. Let's go. Cross tap 3 and jump 3, which is jump 3 extended. Now with the right. And get ready. Full speed. Basic. Go. 1. Let's go. Jump 3 extended. Looking good. Basic. Let's go again. Jump 3 extended. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Now let's practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Just start with your right. Basic on 2 slow. And let's start with the right. Cross tap 3 with the right. And jump 3. 5, 7. Now cross tap 3 with the left. And jump 3. Yeah, basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Basic. And notice again that we don't use the 6 and 8. Let's go one more time with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Now with the left. Getting ready to, full speed. Basic. Let's go. And let's go. Jump 3 extended. Yeah. With the left. And basic. Let's go again. Jump 3 extended. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Looking great. Let's do it again. Slow. Basic. Yeah. Practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's go again with the right. Cross tap 3 with the right and jump 3. going down and jump out. Cross tap 3 with the left and jump 3. Going down and jump out. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Ready for one more? Let's go with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And remember, we are practicing cross tap 3 and jump 3. And we call it jump 3 extended. Yeah, again, cross tap 3 and jump 3, which is jump 3 extended. Now, with the left, getting ready to, full speed. Basic, go. 1. And let's go. This is jump 3 extended. With the left, basic. Let's do it one more. Let's go. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Cross tap 3 and jump 3. Basic. Yeah, this is jump 3 extended. One more. 1. 1. Now let's do it face to face. I flip the screen. Continue basic on 2 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice, no basic. Again with the right. Second time. Yeah. Going down and jump out. Now with the left. Cross tap 3 with the left and jump 3. With the right. This is the third time. And with the left, getting ready to, full speed. Basic, go. And 3 in a row with the right. 1, 5, 1, 5. Second time. Last time. Looking great. Now let's do it all on 1. Basic on 1 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the left. Yeah. Let's go. Cross tap 3 with the left and jump 3. Now with the right. Cross tap 3 with the right and jump 3. No basic with the left. This is jump 3 extended. Yeah, doing great. With the right, jump 3 extended. With the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And get ready to, full speed. Basic, go. And 3 in a row with the left. 1, 5 with the right. Second time. Third time, which is the last time. Yeah, well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: use your palms facing down and up to emphasize the jump.